about him at lunchtime. I wonder what happened.
Oh, what a beautiful morning! Oh, what a beautiful day! I'm so happy.
Wiggles, there you are. What happened with Bobby?
Oh, everything worked out just great.
It did? What'd you do? Tell me you didn't punch him out.
Okay, I'll tell you. I didn't punch him out.
Oh, Calvin, what happened?
Well, I told him how it made me feel when I heard that he had been talking about me behind my back, and that it really made me mad because I thought he was my friend.
And then what did he say?
He said he was sorry. He said it was the wrong thing to do.
So, are you guys friends now?
Best buddies! And you know that old saying, sticks and stones can break your bones, but words will never hurt you?
Yeah, what about it?
Well, words can hurt you. They can hurt so bad that you can lose a friend.
Wow. I promise never to say anything bad about you, Wiggles, especially about your singing.
Very funny. Oh, what a beautiful morning! Oh, what a beautiful day!
Bible verses. Memorizing Bible verses. All people from my mind rehearses what I learned in Bible verses. Hola, my friends. Today I am here to tell you that you should be asleep. So everybody lay down and hey, you scared me. What do you want? Sheep? What do you mean sheep? Oh, that is muy diferente. My assistant has just told me that, well, what I meant to say was that you should be a sheep, not asleep. A sheep. One of Jesus' sheep, because he said, my sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. John 10:27. If you were a sheep, you would want a shepherd that would always take good care of you, see? One who would know you and lead you to safe places, see? Well, if you believe in Jesus, then you are one of his sheep. He is the best shepherd ever. And he said, my sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. John 10:27. Okay, so now I want you all to practice being sheep. Everybody say, bah, bah. No. Be loud, sheep. Say, bah, 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 bah. Hey, that one kid right there started to look a little bit like a sheep. Just a little bit. Anyway, okay, sheeps. Let's all say the Bible verse together like people. Ready? My sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. John 10:27. I think you are not really trying. Let's say it again, but this time, everybody say it muy loud. My sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. John 10:27. Bueno, that was much better. It's good to know that Jesus is the shepherd who cares about his sheep, yes? And I am a parrot that cares about my crackers. Crackers! I must go now, amigos. It's cracker time! Cracker! I will see you another time, my friends. Adios, amigos.
Oh, that's right.